JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine Ryan. Things are falling. And here I am. I am back and in the color. Speaking of color, as someone who is a colored natural.
Wait a minute. Strike that. Reverse it.
Might not be the best words to use. As someone who colors their hair. Remember that any videos that pop up above will always be linked down below for you to check out after this one. Sometimes in the end card as well. So, as you can tell by my roots, it is time for me to touch up. In the meantime, what I have been using, what I have been trying for the past couple of months now is, as you saw by the title, it is the CurlSmith. So this is their color recipe. I have been using the Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo and the Glowing Perfectioning Conditioner. So I'm gonna take you all through the wash days, show you how they both work, and of course stay tuned to the end so I can talk about what each of them said, what they did, and if there was anything that I need from them. So yeah. Hey, it me. All right, so, okay, small. Okay, so I had a camera, it broke. I have a new camera, and the new camera has the viewfinder in the front. So I'm gonna try not to look at myself in the viewfinder and instead look at you through the camera lens. This also goes out to all of my new YouTubers, all of my new content creators. Look at the lens. Get a view of yourself, make sure everything looks right and you're in frame. Then you look at the lens for the rest of the time.
Look at me!
And now I am ready to go in with the CurlSmith Vivid Tones Vibrancy Shampoo. So, apply generously on wet hair, massage vigorously to break down dirt and product buildup. Rinse thoroughly. Then follow up with the conditioner. Now, I was reading online about this. I don't think I really realized it before, but so this is a gentle cleanser, and when I was reading a little bit more about it on the website, this is actually going to be a low poo cleanser, so you are not going to be expecting the suds out of this, okay? We got it? Yes? Yes. All right, so now let's look at consistency. Ooh.
Gelatinous.
Pretty. And of course, with CurlSmiths, the thing smells good. So the things in here that make it the color recipe, and I have mentioned this before, but things like lemon peel always help to add shine. They also have dandelion petals, they have goldenrod, they have lemon citric acid, and squeezed pineapple or squoze.
Squoze?
The dandelion and the goldenrod extract, those are more so helping with moisture, as this is a gentle shampoo. Kind of floral, kind of citrusy, a little on the sweet side, kind of. It's a different type of scent. It has a warmth to it. It's a warm scent, but it has that slight citrus, slight floral scent to it. I like it. It's a really nice, mild scent. Really, really nice, mild scent. All right, are we ready? Let's cleanse. Double shampoo. Okay, double shampoo is done, and the hair is looking good, right? It's looking good, right? Okay. Now, time to condition with the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. So, pretty simple. Again, apply generously on wet hair. We love it generous and we love it wet.
Miss Jackson.
After washing it with the Vivid Tone shampoo, coat all strands evenly and gently detangle the hair to get rid of all knots. Let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes, then rinse. I'm definitely gonna let it sit for more than 1 to 2 minutes because I'm just a little bit more of a 1 to 2 minute person. Now with the conditioner, it's a lot of moisturizing things in here. So some of the key ingredients, you have the watermelon seed extract, you have strawberry seed extract, you've got beetroot extract. All of those things are made to help maintain moisture. There's some shea butter in here again. So all of those are made to help with maintaining moisture. Conditioner. Oh my gosh. You talk about smelling good. It's the watermelon and the strawberry. It smells like a fruit salad. And if I were going to compare this to a lotion, it would be normal. It's just a good medium cream. Yeah, I would compare it to a normal lotion. Just good and medium creamy. And wet hair, yeah, yeah. Felicia. This, ladies and gentlemen, is how your hair should look when you rinse out a good moisturizing deep conditioner. This is how it should look. It should set you up for a very nice, clumpy, defined wash day. We want to talk about what it said, what it did, and if there's anything I need from it. Well, maybe not yet. Let's first have you do a close look up at it. My hair's still dripping wet. So I know you get that kind of wet look from it, but I just still look at it. So shine, right? Color enhance, look. Color is supposed to, the color is mahogany. I mean, does it look, I mean, can you tell if it looks a little bit more vibrant? It's got a little bit more All right, so now let's go ahead and talk about what each of them said, did, and if there's anything that I need from them. So it's pretty simple. Delicate. It's going to give you luster. It's going to bring you back some radiance. It's going to give you some color protection. Gentle for daily use. It's going to melt away dirt and build up to return the hair to its natural shine and vibrancy. And I don't know if I need to mention this, but I think that we all know that CurlSmith is curly girl friendly if you go by that, right? We do know that they're cruelty free, no sulfates or silicones, and they are vegan. We know that, right?
Right.
Based off of what it said, gentle cleanser, absolutely. It is very much a gentle cleanser, as you all saw with that second wash, even though it is a low pull. Oh, I got all the suds with it. Granted, I always say I'm not a heavy-handed person. I think I do go a little bit heavier with shampoos than I do anything else, but it gives a really nice gentle cleanse. As you saw that I was able to start to finger detangle with it. Like I said, I've been using this for several weeks now. I'm about halfway down to the bottle, but I definitely do notice a difference after I have used it. It does give my hair a little bit more.
That has a kick.
The mahogany starts to mahogany again, even though this color is old. So yeah, this has definitely kind of been helping to keep the color alive with it, because I have gotten several compliments on my hair color after I've coincidentally shampooed with this and used the conditioner. So yeah, it does everything that it said that it's gonna do. Next, the Glow Perfecting Conditioner. So it says that this is going to also enhance color, allow you to detangle. It's going to smooth, give you some vibrance and shine. And per the site, it says that it is lightweight, everyday rinse out. It's going to boost vibrancy and shine, makes hair smooth and silky. So lightweight, yes. Like I said, the consistency is that of a normal lotion, so it goes on really smooth and creamy. Applies well. I was able to finger detangle. As you saw, it was really just kind of slipping the knots through. And then when I went through with Felicia Leatherwood, this wash and go was 10 days old, 11 days old, something like that. So good and tangled. Felicia Leatherwood went through really easily, which is always a good thing. And like I said, to me, with both of these paired together, it definitely does bring back the mahogany brown color. It doesn't look as dull, it doesn't look as flat. At least that's what I've noticed from using it for the past few weeks. So yeah, I definitely like it. It does everything that it says that it's going to do. I like it. I really like it. I really like it. And it smells good. So yeah, so for both of these, for the products and the color recipe, I recommend them. I really like them. It's, you know, CurlSmith does come through with things. All right, so let me know in the comments down below. Have you used either the Vivid Tone shampoo or the Glow Perfection conditioner? Did they do everything for you that they said that they were gonna do? Was your hair left looking shiny and glistening and all sparkly like a glazed donut? All right, make sure that you like this video, press the red subscribe button. I've got a lot of things to share. Feel free to share this out if somebody else may want to know how the CurlSmith color recipe works on really like dyed hair. Punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast when I post my videos. And again, thank you for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one.